Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to empty the dust box on EZVIZ RS2. To do it, just open this lid right here. It's pretty simple. Then you need to take this handle and put it all the way up, because there are some notches here that need to go out of these cutouts. And now you can just easily take it out.
Dust box has been taken out.
And now to open it, click on this button right here. And you can open the door just like that. And now you can empty it, then close it and put it back in, also with the handle up.
Dust box has been put back.
And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.